Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to install a system to recollect the water that is coming from the terrace into this tank. I have here 1000 liters of water I can get here from the rain that later I can use to water the plants or whatever other thing I need to do. Water prices, energy prices are continuously rising, and we have to find ways to reutilize the things that we have free available to save money and to be environmentally more friendly. And to do that, I just bought this component on Aliexpress to be also mosquitoes free, because otherwise if you get water but you don't prevent the growth of mosquito, you are going to have large amounts of mosquito growing on the water. And I don't want to use chlorine or anything to keep the water without mosquitoes, because then I cannot use the water to water the plants. Okay, let's see what I got from Aliexpress. Here we have the cap, a 90 degrees elbow. Here we have the micro filter, okay, and the adapter to put the elbow into the tank. Let's first make sure that the cap fits into the tank intake. The first thing we are going to do is to put all the piles and measure what is the distances we need to put the piles. I'm going to use this elbow here. Let's measure the distance. Okay, 220. Okay, I'm going to use these bracelets I have here to fix the tube to the wall. Put in the wall and mark the place where they should be installed. We will need to do a hole in the wall. The tube is too far from the wall, so I will have to cut a little bit this tube there. So let's do this first. I'm going to do a 6mm hole. can use glue on the pipes, but I'm not going to use it because then I can disassemble the installation and do changes. Everything is installed. I will be able to collect the water coming from the rain and filter it in the tank, and then use this water for whatever I need. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.